essentially the so on the material. Uh, so I didn't choose to name mine the lifeboat, but that would have been a good name for my channel because doing this is like a lifeboat. Right? This kind of has saved my life, and it's allowed me to meet some people that are very special that I would like to spend some time with, if possible. And your support will help with that. Transportation costs to go see family, the adopted family that I would like to see. Uh, so the lifeboat is it's it's a good name. It's symbolic and it's suitable for Tommy. He should have that. But I just thought I wanted to share, and I also wanted to share, about a little bit about my drinking experience and coming in, early, or when I had come in, early, uh, and had started working at the bar, because I was really instrumental and implemental in my growth as a person, as a human being. It was largely due to Mikey, he was always supportive of me not drinking in the bar. He saw me, he knew, so no one ever gave me a hard time at the bar, except the drunken manager one occasion on like New Year's and whatever. I'm not going to go into that, but largely speaking, no one gave me a hard time about not drinking and working at a bar. There's, there's our bartenders that don't drink. There's people that work at a bar that don't drink. It's a good place to not drink and work. A bar is a good place to not drink and work. You know, it's not a great place to work. It's just a great place to not drink and work. There's a difference. Uh, all right. So onward and upward. Okay. So that was my fundraiser for the video. My birthday fundraiser. Free to help me get my mobile home. That would be a great birthday present. Getting out of here, that would be awesome. Um, I explained about the my lifeboat, and what that meant. Um, but I also want to kind of, I don't know if I made this point clear that the even though the name went to Schumer Resonance Harmonics, what would have been my channel, I wouldn't have named it the Lifeboat, but would have, theoretically, what my version of the Lifeboat is, the spiritual growth, this these are things that I have learned through going to meetings, that I've learned through having a sponsor, that I've learned through, yeah, obviously meditating, not just meditating, but also working in the program, with people. Um, I think it's important to mention that, how do I say this? There's an important spiritual principle. I want to say this. People know that I'm in tune with this, and like I said, it's important for me to give these principles forth so that I can learn, but so that you can learn. There's a lot of growth and things that are revealed, downloaded, revealed, made clear during meditation. I I accept them, I understand them, I internalize them, I got it, I act in a certain way because I know in myself what the principle is. Things that are revealed to me, I know them. I know them myself. I don't need to. It doesn't have to be that clear, like language wise, linguistically, uh, word wise. I don't have to have a clear idea of the words. I just do it. Things are revealed, and a lot of times they're revealed in pictures or symbols or something, or they're just a knowing that, oh, I need to do this, and you don't really know why. All right. I think in spiritual growth, there's a lot of things that we just become revealed to us that we don't really know why, but we just feel it's the right thing to do, and winds up being the right thing. We don't think about it. We don't have to talk about it. However, and that's fine. That's one level of spiritual growth. However, what happens is that as you level up, as you grow, a person grows, and others come to you, and we're inclined to help them, those things that were revealed to us as being just evident, we need to explain it to other people in a way that they can understand. And so this involves a dialogue. And so now the thing that was kind of nebulous, I didn't need to know the details or whatever. When people ask about it, then you have to give the details and start explaining why or how, or, especially how it works. How did I get the result that I got? What did I do? So this is what's important in this pursuit is that um, when it's not just that I'm things are revealed for me and I do it, like that's fine, that's great. That's that could be well, that could be where it ends, and it's fine. However, if you have a lot of friends, or if you like me, I'm out there, you're on video, whatever, and people start asking you, how does this work? That becomes a different matter. So if you're the person that had this revealed and it's changed your life and you want to explain it to someone how it works, or how they can do it, or how they can get it into their lives or whatever, and you try and explain it to people, that's when you need to make logical sense of it so that you can express that logically. There are a lot of principles that people have, or things that have been developed that it's difficult to convey. People will say that, well, it's hard to explain. I'll do my best. That's a truth. That is one of the things that happens with a revelation, that you can't actually explain it thoroughly or logically to people. Like, for example, if you're trying to explain a miracle to people, how to make miracles happen, there's a part of the language that can get in the way. And if someone doesn't believe in miracles, no matter what you tell them, they're not going to be able to take in new information. So part of what we try to convey, is not through words, but it's through an intention that goes before what you're looking to do. Um, that's hard to explain to someone about intention, right? But it's just a force, a cause, the thought space. It's a dimension that exists that you can't say intention and just have someone have a picture of what that is. And there's a lot of spiritual principles that are like that don't respond well to talking or to verbal speaking in a logical manner. So this is the direction, this is where I'm heading toward in the rest of the material, is the difference between talking and sharing, between speaking and you know communicating. Word, there's another word I'm looking for. Resonating. That's the word. The difference between talking and speaking, as opposed to sharing and resonating with someone. And frequently, the logical mind will prevent someone from sharing and bringing that from the heart. So, this is a good place to play some music. I'm almost at the 2 hour mark. This is going a bit longer than I had intended, but that's okay. Oh, okay. Sometimes tough to figure out what to do. All right. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to it's like 2:30 in the morning here, and I really need to stop talking because I think the people upstairs are, gotta sleep, and I don't know if, it's 2:30 in the morning. I really gotta stop. Even though I'm not talking loudly, I really gotta stop. All right. So I'm gonna play some music, and then I'm gonna pause for the night, and then come back in the morning, and hopefully I'll remember where I where I was. At any rate, it'll be like all the rest of them if I don't figure it out, and it'll just be a little disjointed. Um, at any rate, here we go for music. All right, there's something there. All right, so I'm gonna play some music, fade it out, and then I'll get a cut for the night, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Lifeline.